I'm gonna introduce y'all to the A-Lunch people, man.
Yes, sir.
There's some real ass folks in here, man, for real. No cap, no cap. Oh, what's up, bro? Is that what you look at?
Is that the vlog?
What's up, my boy?
Oh, my fault, bro. But we got Jody here.
She was extinct.
She with me in third. Let me tell y'all about Jody. She don't do the work.
Okay, Paco.
And be like wondering why the heck her grade is bad. So I'm in here telling her, do the work, Jody, do the work.
What you say?
You know
what you say?
She tell me?
What?
I'll do it tomorrow.
Oh,
the next day come. Did you do the work? I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow.
I do all
hey, she got that senioritis now?
I'll do it tomorrow.
She got that senioritis?
I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. That's all she says. I get tired of it.
You do? What you do to her? You dropped her?
I don't know what to do with her.
You don't?
Nobody
You need an ass whooping. Fat Cat, man. Introduce yourself, man.
My name B Cat, you feel me? B Cat, you already know. On the block.
Is that a damn pop?
Fucking damn move, bro. Fuck you. So stupid ass up.
You already know. They call me Clean Cat.
Clean? Alright, yes sir.
What old Big Cat, man? He real, bro. He for real, dog. I remember he came over my house one time. It was about what, 3 in the morning now? He didn't Uber eat some fucking McDonald's now.
I like that. I like to hear that.
He bought me and Eli 10-piece nuggets now.
I like that.
Spent the money for us. So is
Mr. Coach P.
Coach Penny.
Best Coach of the Year award. Yes, sir.
The best, the coach of the year in the county. You know, he's the best coach out here doing it.
How many all county players we had?
What?
How many all county players we had?
8 first team, 14 first and second.
Already. That's Coach Pennington for you.
He was
That's
first.
Coach Brown. This is my dog Jayla right here, man. She is the plug. She's the plug for the Dunkin' Donuts now.
Yeah, what?
It'd be nice, so I'm just driving now. I'm like, dang, bro, I'm hungry, bro. I want a donut, bro.
Yeah.
I walk in Dunkin' Donuts. Tell them what you do for me, man.
What you do?
I get it right all the time.
Get them right all the time, for free, butter free, large culotta, and about 5 donuts.
Why you gonna get me right?
Yes, sir.
Butter free now. Go in that bitch, she got me now. No, she don't. She got me now.
Alright.
This my dog Steph right here, aka E-Man, the deep ball threat.
Yes, sir.
He slept on because of the skin color. Look at him. You think that's a deep ball threat? No. No, but he is though. Tell him what you do now.
Play for a circle. Struggle out every time. 8 yards, post.
Say you're not special. Over the top.
Every time?
Blur.
Every time.
You the Tyreek Hill of high school?
Blur. That's the name. It ain't even E-Man no more. It's the Blur Man.
The Blur Man. Oh, I like that boy. I like that boy. Nice to meet you, sir.
Already.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Check the fork out.
Oh, drop the fork. Gotta get another one.
Finna take over, go interview the basketball players.
That's so.
My boys, the basketball players. 40 count.
J Money.
Okay, I like that. How the basketball season going, you know?
It's going good so far. 1-0.
Alright.
We blew the team out.
Okay.
We're going 12 and 13. We're not going 12 and 13.
Hey, bro, I heard it was your birthday today, though, bro.
My birthday.
Happy birthday now.
We turned 18, big 18.
Okay, big 18, I like it.
Okay. No more minors. And we throwing a party at G Herbo House. And we'll try to end it soon.
What's
Okay, everybody the basketball players. We got my boy and me. What's your name?
Oh, Quay.
Come on, bro.
Stop playing Sig, you know I'm here.
Okay. Yeah. How you like your freshman year?
It was type good.
Oh, alright. So what you plan on doing for the rest of the year? Like grades and all that.
Oh, grades is up there, you know. Like this, first priority. This bit Marcus, freaking fire alarm, man.
Shit.
It bailed us out the workout. I mean, I'm thankful for him bailing us out the workout. But dang, bro, the man about to get his spell, man. Look at him scared.
Oh yeah, he's scared.
Class, right here.
He's scared.
I witnessed it.
Shut up, bro. On the phone, bro.
Hey, don't worry though, but just blame everything on me. I'm gonna take the blame on
Hey, I always take the
I'm gonna do the time for y'all.
Give us again.